Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we are in Snapchat and I'm going to be showing you how to enable and turn on dark mode within Snapchat. So what you need to do is open up the app, make sure you have it updated to the most recent version of the application via your App Store in iOS or Google Play Store. And then once you have all of that done, go ahead and tap on your avatar in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings page here. Click on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. It looks like a cog wheel. Go ahead and tap on that. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see something that says App Appearance. Go ahead and tap on App Appearance. And then as you can see, you can either match the system. So if your iOS already has dark mode and you have that enabled, it'll go ahead and match your system. But the easiest way of doing this is going to Always Dark. So if you always want it to be in dark mode, go ahead and check the Always Dark option there. And then if you go back throughout the app, you can see that everything throughout the app is now in dark mode. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great quick tutorials just like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.